Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, another little midweek snack, little quick meal. We're going to do some tinned or canned mackerel with some tomatoes, a few spices, onions, bit of garlic. Serve it with rice. Super easy, super tasty. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at this. Really simple, lot of ingredients. So we've got some tinned mackerel there, or canned mackerel, and the same with tomato, 1 can of tomatoes. Nice hefty size teaspoon of garlic. Maybe try garlic and ginger mix if you wanted. Onion, salt, pepper, about a teaspoon each of cumin and chili powder. Again, you could be playing around with those. So yeah, tin like that, tin of mackerel, tin of tomatoes. We're going to start this off with a little touch of oil. Super easy. Let's go and do it. Could not be simpler. So I've got a pan here, touch of oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. Let's drop in those onions. And like I say, I've sliced mine. If you wanted, you could dice them or whatever. Let's just throw this around in the pan just by themselves for like 3 minutes or so. You want a kind of, medium-ish, above medium heat. There you go. Change colour these onions. If you want to cook them a bit longer, so they're really soft, they've got a little bite to them. We're now going to add in that garlic. Like I say, I've got some pureed garlic here. If you wanted, you could be just using some chopped slice. Let's go in with our mackerel, our tin mackerel. Break that down a little bit. Keep them whole if you want. I just like to kind of break them just a little bit. Then we're going to add our powders in. Let's take a look. Salt, pepper, chili and cumin is what I'm going to be using for this one today. Staying on this medium heat or just above a medium heat. We're now going to simply add in the last ingredient, which is our can of tomatoes. And we can just sort of break these down with our spoon here, roughly. Now get this to a simmer, or just above a simmer actually, and let this go for about 7 or 8 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. And unbelievably, it's done. And there you go, job done. Very, very easy. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me. If you want a bit of parsley in there, a bit of coriander or something, really simple. Let's pop that on a bit of rice. And there you go, really easy, super little midweek snack. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.